Okay, so I replaced all 4 spark plugs, and the code is BKR6E. Um, Spark plugs that was in here was BP6ES. That's how it looked. That's one. Other one was BP6ES. That's how it looks. Next one. This one was BPR7ESZN. Completely different fucking spark plug. And this one is BP6ES. Way different gapping to what the gapping is on the PKR6E, if I'm not mistaken. PKR6E. It's PKR6E. New oil filter is on. Oil is drained. Oil is filled. Water is replaced. Antifreeze. Switch is replaced. I'm going to plug in the switch. Just plug in the switch quickly. So, switch is plugged in, and then I'm going to quickly put this spark plug on. Under correction, bogey lead. Bogey leads are all sorted. Coolant temperature sensor is plugged in and installed correct, no leaks. Water bottle, the lid on. I put the ECU in. Just gonna put the battery in. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Spark plugs are right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Coolant temperature switch plugged in. Throttle body position sensor plugged in. I'm gonna put this quickly on. Oil filter is changed, like I had said. Oil, water. I'm gonna connect the battery now, and then we're gonna start the car with no foot on the throttle, and that should reset the ECU apart from 30 seconds and 30 seconds. So I'm gonna do that now. Negative terminal is connected. Got power. 30 seconds off, and then we start. Okay, so now it's 30 seconds off. Okay, now we can start up. Okay, second startup. First startup was much better. It did go high and then low by itself. So coolant temperature sensor is definitely working now. Map sensor was unplugged. I plugged in the map sensor. Now let's see what it does. Just stalls. Okay, so map sensor plugged in. Car dies. Let's see what fuel pressure regulator does. Car is idling now. Map sensor plugged in. Coolant temperature sensor plugged in. Idling sturdy. Just want to show the revs. The smoke is even clearer. It smells less like fuel. Yeah, it smells much less like fuel. when I plug out the fuel pressure regulator, makes a change in the idle until I close this. No leaks from the fuel pressure regulator. If we block off that, we can hear maybe if the idle changes. Okay, and we'll put it back. Idle drops instantly and picks back up. Map sensor plugged in, coolant temperature sensor plugged in. If I give throttle, it's hesitant. It's quite hesitant.